Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Skindale from the 17th to the 21st of March 2025 on Monday. A man is shocked when his latest scheme hit an unexpected roadblock. Toriso and Poet arrive home to an unanticipated problem. Vuvu has a not so secret admirer on Tuesday. Mdala digs his heels in not wanting to be dictated to. Gidiboni's resentment has only grown with time. A young man put his best foot forward to impress a woman he's meeting with on Wednesday. Botsotso unknowingly helped a harmful parasite while TD openly defies the new owner's plans. Gidiboni is unhappy with the More action and takes on too much on Thursday. When backed into a corner by a blatant sabotage, Mdala starts showing his true colors. Poet drops a bomb on two warring families. Vuvu makes a plan, but she knows it's not a permanent solution. On Friday, a schemer realizes his initial plan of the city has failed and plans to double his efforts. A determined wife convinces her reluctant husband to embrace tradition. Vuvu is forced to reassess her judgment of a daydreamer. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show.